We are making a homeschool room out of this old room.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now, ooh.
It is a mess, but we are making progress. We've got all this stuff in here. Now it's just a matter of organizing and putting it away, of course.
When you're gone, ooh, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure.
That's all we got done today. We got quite a lot done today, but it still needs quite a lot of work. It's not perfect, but it's coming together. I still have to get this rug tape off the floor from that rug or get another rug and cover it. Here's one desk. Here's my desk. Here's some of my books. Briley's desk. She decorated her own desk. As you can tell, there's Shopkins all over it and all kinds of kitty cat stuff and watermelon. And here's her chapter books. Here's the bigger things over here. Little reading corner or prayer corner. Got this out of her bathroom from Hobby Lobby. Reagan's little desks. And then here's a little art table for Reagan. Reagan has 3 desks. I know, we probably need to get rid of some, but this is like an interactive desk. And then it has a chalkboard on this side. And this is also an interactive desk, but it has a place to paint or color and a place to do the chalk and writing. And then this is another area where she could do schoolwork a little easier or artwork if I move this stuff off to actually use her workbooks and things. This is all stuff that I need to put away. And then the bookshelf is coming together. I need to hang my whiteboard, hang my bulletin board and my maps. Got crayons, color pencils, markers, books, reading books, pencils for everybody if they need a pencil, my dry erase markers, different things, a Beats pill to listen to some music if we want, and the book of the week. Here's my closet. I need to change the light bulb so you can actually see in here. But I've got my art rolly thing over here, my bulletin board that I need to put up. This is construction paper and writing paper. All of my arts and crafts books, coloring books, sticker books. These are the little sheets that go with the VTech desk. This is, you can't see this, so I'll redo it, but this is all my pre-K curriculum. And then this is all math, history, reading and writing, science and health. And then these are the things that I need to put out of reach of the kids and only get down like things that Reagan doesn't need to get into until I bring it out.
It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. Walls and mountains standing in my way, but I'm feels so